Your business PCs are already outdated. Here's how to fix it before AI leaves you behind. Businesses spend between $800 and $1,500 per computer, expecting them to last more than 5 years. But the reality? Most machines are already struggling to keep up with modern AI-driven workloads. With AI integration rapidly becoming the standard in productivity tools like Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, and enterprise automation software, outdated systems aren't just slowing down employees, they're holding businesses back. The AI shift: why legacy hardware won't cut it. AI-assisted workflows demand higher computing power, more memory, and better connectivity than traditional setups. The latest software updates optimize for AI-accelerated CPUs and GPUs for real-time automation, 32 gigabytes or more of RAM for AI-driven multitasking, 1 terabyte or more NVMe SSDs to handle data-heavy applications, and Wi-Fi 6E or 7 for seamless cloud processing. The problem? Many existing business PCs lack the processing power to support these advancements, forcing IT teams to either patch outdated systems or face costly replacements down the line. How to future-proof your business PCs today. Instead of treating PC upgrades as a once-in-a-decade decision, forward-thinking companies are adopting an AI-ready hardware strategy. Smart at spending, invest in longevity. Choose AI-optimized CPUs like Intel Core Ultra, AMD Ryzen AI, or Apple M-Series. Prioritize 32 gigabytes or more of RAM and expandable storage. Opt for devices with modular designs, for instance, Dell Precision or Lenovo ThinkPad P-Series. And ensure advanced security features such as TPM 2.0 and AI-driven endpoint protection. The ROI of future-proofing: higher employee productivity, no more slow systems holding teams back, lower IT costs, reduce frequent replacements and maintenance, better security, stay ahead of cyber threats with AI-enhanced protection. Don't let outdated PCs hold your business back. Companies embracing AI-ready hardware today are setting themselves up for faster growth, stronger security, and a seamless transition into the AI-driven future. Is your IT strategy keeping up? Now's the time to evaluate an upgrade before slow, outdated machines start costing more than just performance. Executive takeaways: what this means for CIOs and IT directors: reduce long-term IT costs, investing in future-proof devices, delays, refresh cycles, saving money in the long run. Stay competitive with AI. AI-powered applications will become the new standard for productivity. Your PCs must keep up. Enhance security posture. Legacy systems are vulnerable. Proactive upgrades prevent costly breaches. Maximize IT ROI. Smart investments now prevent expensive, reactionary upgrades later. Final thought: will your company keep up or fall behind? The future of work is AI-driven. Businesses that fail to upgrade their PCs will face rising inefficiencies, cybersecurity threats, and workforce frustrations. Want a tailored IT strategy to ensure your company is future-ready? Let's talk.